Kids' FunTastic learning channel.
In today's quiz, we will dive into simple calculus questions to test your knowledge. Remember to pay close attention to each question and choose the correct answer. If you enjoy playing this quiz with us, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our next adventure. Let's get started and see how smart you can get. Question 1. What is 1 plus 1? Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. Option D, 5. Correct answer is A, 2. When we add 1 and 1 together, we get 2. This is one of the simplest addition problems. Learning addition helps children understand how to combine quantities in their everyday lives. Question 2. How many fingers do you have? Option A, 5. Option B, 7. Option C, 10. Option D, 8. Correct answer is C. Most people have 10 fingers, 5 on each hand. Fingers are essential for manipulating objects and performing tasks. Counting fingers is an excellent way for children to practice their numerals. Question 3. What is 2 not 1? Option A, 1. Option B, 0. Option C, 2. Option D, 3. Correct answer is A. If you take 1 away from 2, you are left with 1. This simple subtraction helps children understand the concept of taking away. Practicing subtraction can enhance their problem-solving skills. Question 4. Which number comes after 3? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 4. Option D, 5. Correct answer is C. 4 counting in order is a fundamental skill for young learners. After the number 3, the next number is 4, continuing the sequence. This pattern helps children recognize and understand numerical order. Question 5. How many sides does a triangle have? Option A, 3. Option B, 4. Option C, 5. Option D, 6. Correct answer is A. 5. A triangle has 3 sides and is one of the simplest shapes. Understanding shapes is important for children's spatial reasoning skills. Recognizing a triangle in the environment can also foster interest in geometry. Question 6. What is 3 plus 2? Option A, 4. Option B, 5. Option C, 6. Option D, 7. Correct answer is B. 5. Adding 3 and 2 gives us a total of 5. Addition is a foundational math skill that children will use throughout their education. It offers a basis for more complex mathematical operations later on. Question 7. What shape is a ball? Option A, square. Option B, circle. Option C, triangle. D, rectangle. Correct answer is B. A ball is a three-dimensional object that is round in shape, known as a sphere. Recognizing shapes helps children describe objects they see every day. It is also a foundational aspect of geometry they will study in school. Question 8. How many legs does a dog have? Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. Option D, 5. Correct answer is C. Dogs typically have 4 legs, which help them run, walk, and play. Learning about animals and their features can spark curiosity in young minds. This knowledge also supports children in understanding biology and patterns in nature. Question 9. What is 5 not 3? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 4. Correct answer is B. When you take away 3 from 5, you are left with 2. This activity helps children grasp the basics of subtraction and the concept of taking away. Practicing these skills fosters confidence in their math abilities. Question 10. What does 0 plus 1 equal? Option A, 0. Option B, 1. Option C, 2. Option D, 3. Correct answer is B. 1 adding 0 to any number leaves the number unchanged. Thus, 0 added to 1 equals 1. Understanding the role of 0 in math is crucial for developing more complex skills. This idea reinforces the concept of identity in addition. Question 11. Which number is bigger, 2 or 5? Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. Option D, 5. Correct answer is D. 5 in comparing numbers, 5 is larger than 2. Knowing how to compare quantities is an important part of early mathematics learning. This skill is essential for grasping bigger concepts in math and understanding relative values. Question 12. How many wheels does a bicycle have? Option A, 2. Option B, 4. Option C, 3. Option D, 5. Correct answer is A. A bicycle typically has 2 wheels, which help it balance as it moves. Understanding the parts of everyday objects can enhance a child's curiosity and knowledge. This knowledge also encourages learning about movement and mechanics. Question 13. What is 1 plus 3? Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. Option D, 5. Correct answer is C, 4. Combining 1 with 3 results in 4. This basic addition skill lays the groundwork for more advanced math concepts. Recognizing number relationships helps children in everyday counting tasks. Question 14. What shape is this? Option A, cube. Option B, sphere. Option C, square. Option D, pyramid. Correct answer is C. A square is a two-dimensional shape that has 4 equal sides. Identifying different shapes helps develop spatial awareness. Familiarity with shapes paves the way for more comprehensive studies in geometry. Question 15. How many days are in a week? Option A, 5. Option B, 6. Option C, 7. Option D, 8. Correct answer is C. Week consists of 7 days, each representing a distinct day of the week. Learning about time can help children plan their activities. Understanding the calendar also sharpens their organizational skills. Question 16. What is the next number? 1, 2, 3. Option A, 4. Option B, 5. Option C, 6. Option D, 7. Correct answer is A. Counting 1, 2, and 3, the next number in sequence is 4. Recognizing number sequences is an essential mathematical skill. This knowledge is foundational for understanding counting and number patterns. Question 17. What is 2 plus 2? Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. Option D, 5. Correct answer is C. When we add 2 and 2, we arrive at a total of 4. Mastering this basic operation is crucial for building mathematical understanding. Engaging with addition lays the groundwork for future arithmetic learning. Question 18. Which number is less, 1 or 4? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 4. Correct answer is A. 1 in this comparison, 1 is less than 4. Recognizing the smaller number is an important part of understanding numerical values. Such comparisons enhance a child's ability to assess different quantities intuitively. Question 19. How many hands do you have? Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. Option D, 5. Correct answer is A. A typical person has 2 hands, which are important for various activities. Counting body parts helps children connect numbers with real-life concepts. This practical counting reinforces their understanding of basic math in a fun way. Question 20. What is 3 minus 2? Option A, 0. Option B, 1. Option C, 2. Option D, 3. Correct answer is B. Subtracting 2 from 3 results in 1. This activity can help children practice their subtraction skills and understand how quantities can decrease. Engaging with numbers in this way makes math relatable and enjoyable. If you enjoyed this experience, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you can be the first to join us for more exciting adventures and quizzes in the future.